Hi, this is Sam May from Apify. So, Replit just released its new ability to add any custom MCP server. And today I want to show you how you can use your own configured Apify MCP server to create a cool pricing app. This is a great use case for e-commerce companies who are looking to benchmark pricing against their competitors, or you could just run an e-commerce affiliate website, for example, by displaying some of those products and using or appending your own affiliate link to those products themselves so that people can actually buy from this new app or website that you're building. So let's start. This video, I'm going to basically deploy an e-commerce app that benchmarks pricing from several e-commerce stores using the Apify MCP on Replit. So what I will do first is create our actual MCP server on mcp.apify.com. I will add the scrapers that I'm looking for, including the Amazon e-commerce scraper, the e-commerce scraper in general, and then of course I will configure those settings. I will take that URL and I will install it on Replit. They have also a one-click deploy there. Then I will connect the Replit agent to the server that I created and give it a prompt to actually create for me an e-commerce pricing app. And of course, then we'll build the app. So let's start. First thing to do, of course, is to go to mcp.apify.com. And over here, I have multiple ways to actually add actors. So I can just go ahead and add actors from here. So let me search for an Amazon actor. What I tend to like to do is, of course, choose the one with has a lot of usage. So, for example, this one by Jungly has 9,000 users. So let me add that to my server. Next thing I will do is what I know works really well is this e-commerce scraper that we have. And this is a generic scraper that will actually work on multiple websites. So its usability is great. So I'm going to go ahead and I will save those changes. For the other tools, you can just keep them as marked, and you don't need any additional tools for this. What will I have now is a server URL that I can use, so I go ahead and copy that. I will go to Replit, and so they actually rolled this feature out where you can add any custom server that you need, and it's over here. You just add the MCP server, and what you will do is basically give it a name. So let's call it Apify e-commerce server, right? And then I will just paste that. Simple as that. Nothing else needs to be done. So go ahead and test and save, and then you need to authorize the server. It will take you seamlessly to your actual console where you will log in with your account. And that's all right. So let's start testing. So I put this prompt here. I want to create an e-commerce pricing app that will use Apify MCP commerce server. Can you please test it by finding plushies? Plushies are always a competitive item on prices on Amazon using the Amazon tool. Always use actual data from Apify and never use mock data. This is a good idea to put that instruction because sometimes these LLM tools might default to mock data if something doesn't work out. All right, so let's start designing this. And off it goes. So now it will create the architecture for the application that I asked it to. Obviously, one recommendation that I would make here is that you use a design based on another, let's say, existing design that you like, that you want to emulate. This usually cuts out the design process. But, since we're testing primarily functionality here, I didn't care too much about the design. So it's planning its, data acquisition strategy. Now it's executing. One thing that you can also do actually is toggle this fast mode, which makes things a lot faster. All right, so let's see. Now it called the actual, the server. It's doing some code on index.html, and now it's actually calling the tool. So, you have access to 10,000 tools with Apify, and the tool that we put there on our server is now being called. So actually, if you go back to your runs here, you can see exactly what's running. So now you can see that this is running Amazon Scraper. And if you click into that, you can actually see the run itself. Oh, wow, it finished already. Let's see. So here we go. We've got some adorable, plushies that it already found. And so it will basically take all this data and populate it into my actual application. All right, so now it's actually examining the data set. That's a very good indicator that things are going in the right direction. You can see here that it actually it's extracting all the data set. So it's making some TypeScript applications. Oh, and there we go. We have this beautiful website with the actual plushies themselves from Amazon, with these actual photos here with the prices. And just like that, in a few simple minutes, you have a website that you can use as an e-commerce affiliate. Or, of course, if you yourself are selling plushies, it's a great indicator to actually benchmark your prices against competitors. Personally, I think this Aurora Adorable Mini Flopsy is my favorite. So I'm actually inspired to go and buy it. Anyway, thank you for attending this, and we're super excited to see how you will be able to use the actual Apify MCP server inside Replit.